Here's something the car industry doesn't advertise loudly enough. The right luxury SUV, chosen specifically for the way you live after 60, can come close to a zero-maintenance ownership experience. Not because it's cheap, because it's engineered correctly, because it's paired with a dealer network that picks up the tab, and because the right hybrid powertrain means you might go years without a brake job, without a transmission service, and without the kind of repair bill that ruins an otherwise perfect month. Today we're covering 5 luxury SUVs that senior drivers are gravitating toward right now, and for very specific reasons. Let's get into it. Number 5. 2022-2025 Genesis GV80. The Genesis GV80 is the vehicle that luxury buyers are discovering after spending years paying premium prices at BMW and Mercedes-Benz dealerships and realizing they were overpaying for the badge, not the experience. Let's talk about what the GV80 gets right for senior drivers specifically. The front seat height sits at approximately 22 inches from the ground, ideal for the step-in and pivot entry motion that doctors and physical therapists actually recommend. For older drivers, the door opens wide, the grab handles are positioned correctly, and the front seats have extensive power adjustment range, including lumbar support across all trim levels. There is no awkward low-slung cockpit to slide into. You simply sit down. The GV80 safety suite is one of the most comprehensive in the segment. Standard across all trims, forward collision avoidance with pedestrian and cyclist detection, lane keeping assist with active steering correction, blind spot monitoring with live camera display showing exactly what's alongside you when you signal, rear cross traffic avoidance with automatic braking, and a driver attention monitor that tracks alertness over long drives. The 2024 GV80 was named an Top Safety Pick Plus, with top scores across every crashworthiness category. The base engine is the 2.5T turbocharged 2.5-liter inline-4, producing 300 horsepower, more than enough for confident highway merging and relaxed everyday driving. For those who want effortless performance at any speed, the 3.5T twin turbocharged V6 produces 375 horsepower with quiet, seamless acceleration. Here's the ownership advantage that senior buyers specifically appreciate. Genesis includes a complimentary maintenance program and a comprehensive warranty. 5 years/60,000 miles bumper to bumper, 10 years/100,000 miles powertrain. For an owner putting 8,000 to 12,000 miles per year on this vehicle, that stretches close to a decade of covered ownership. The GV80 costs less than a comparably equipped BMW X5 or Mercedes GEL, delivers equivalent or better interior quality, and comes with a warranty that removes most of the financial risk. Number 4. 2019-2023 Toyota Highlander Hybrid. When evaluating vehicles for older drivers, 3 things matter most: ease of entry, clarity of controls, and confidence. Inspiring safety systems. The Toyota Highlander Hybrid checks every box and adds regenerative braking, which significantly extends brake life. The 2019 to 2023 Highlander Hybrid runs a 2.5-liter inline-4 hybrid system, producing 243 horsepower. It delivers smooth, predictable power with no jerking or gear hunting. Seat height is approximately 20.5 inches, ideal for easy entry. Controls are large, clear, and physical, not buried in menus. Toyota Safety Sense includes automatic emergency braking, adaptive cruise control, lane departure alert, and rear cross traffic alert, covering the most common driving risks. Annual repair cost averages around $489, and long-term owners regularly report 200,000 plus miles without major issues. This is the most practical choice on the list. Number 3. 2022 Lexus RX 350h Hybrid. The Lexus RX has been a bestseller for over 2 decades for a reason. It delivers comfort, quietness, and reliability with one of the best dealership experiences in the industry. The 2020-2022 model uses a proven hybrid system, producing 246 horsepower and up to 37 mpg in the city. Seat height sits around 21.5 inches. The seating is designed for long comfort, and cabin noise is extremely low, reducing fatigue on longer drives. Lexus dealerships consistently rank at the top for service quality, often providing loaner vehicles and hassle-free maintenance experiences. This is where comfort meets long-term reliability. Number 2. 2022-2026 Lexus NX 350h Hybrid. This is where size and usability matter. The NX is compact, easier to park, and more manageable than larger SUVs. For daily driving, errands, and short trips, that makes a real difference. It uses a 2.5-liter hybrid system producing 239 horsepower and delivers up to 43 mpg in the city. Seat height sits between 20 and 21 inches, ideal for easy entry and exit. Controls remain physical and intuitive. Safety systems include adaptive cruise control, lane centering, emergency braking, and blind spot monitoring. Annual repair cost is around $500 with extended brake life due to the hybrid system. This is the best choice for maneuverability and efficiency. Number 1. 2020-2022 Lexus RX 450h. This is the closest thing to a perfect senior luxury SUV. It runs a 3.5-liter V6 hybrid system producing 308 horsepower. It's naturally aspirated, highly refined, and extremely reliable. The hybrid system reduces brake wear significantly. Many owners go 80,000 to 100,000 miles before needing service. Seat height is around 21.5 inches. Visibility is excellent. Controls are simple and physical. Ride quality is smooth and comfortable. Safety systems include adaptive cruise control, emergency braking, lane assist, and full traffic support. Lexus ownership experience is one of the best in the industry, with loaner cars, pickup service, and minimal hassle. This combination of reliability, comfort, low maintenance, and service support is what makes it number 1. Let's bring it all together. Number 5. Genesis GV80. Number 4. Toyota Highlander Hybrid. Number 3. Lexus RX 350h. Number 2. Lexus NX 350h. Number 1. Lexus RX 450h. The formula is simple. Comfortable seat height, simple controls, strong safety systems, proven engines, low maintenance, reliable service support. Every vehicle here delivers that. If you're looking for a near perfect ownership experience, these are your answers. Subscribe for more data-driven content like this. Real models, real numbers, real decisions. See you in the next one.